We are following a major update that we broke at 4 o'clock. A mistrial has been declared in the trial of 9 defendants charged with staging a protest that turned violent outside the Prairieland ICE detention center in Johnson County. Our JD Miles joins us now live outside the courthouse in Fort Worth to bring us the latest on this breaking news. This really was kind of a surreal event, JD.
It certainly was, Karen. This trial was moving along routinely with jury selection until mid-afternoon. That's when the judge noticed the clothing on one of the defense attorneys and suddenly declared a mistrial. That defense attorney is Marquetta Clayton, who left the federal courthouse a few minutes ago without commenting. I did ask her if she was going to continue to represent her client, and she told me yes. The T-shirt in question was turned inside out when she left the courthouse. We are told the shirt had images of civil rights demonstrations on it, which the judge determined to be a possible influence on the jury. The 9 defendants on trial are facing charges ranging from attempted murder, aiding terrorists, and weapons charges. It was on July 4th last year when a group of protesters converged on the Prairieland ICE detention center in Alvarado, where they are accused of setting off fireworks and spray painting vehicles. Authorities say a Johnson County deputy was injured by gunfire, and rifles were seized on some of those arrested.
Free them all!
There were chants of "Free them all" outside the federal courthouse in Fort Worth this morning in support of the 9 people who have become known as the Prairieland defendants. We spoke to one of the prospective jurors who was dismissed from the case about today's developments.
I don't know, it felt a little off, and it felt a little like part of their strategy, because after she did that and then the judge was like, hey, what are we doing? Like, you guys, like, no, it just felt all disorganized and unprofessional, because she pulls out a sign that isn't approved by the court, and the court had no idea that she was bringing in a sign, and I was like, this is supposed to be federal court. Like, why? It just felt all disheveled.
Now, that prospective juror is talking about not only the controversial T-shirt that she was wearing, but also an unauthorized poster that she also brought into the courtroom, which was not apparently allowed for jury selection. And we spoke to some of these supporters of the Prairieland defendants outside the courthouse. They had some interesting things to say. They claimed that they believe that this was a subversive effort by the judge and authorities, prosecutors, to clear out this jury pool, bring in a new one, because they didn't like what they were hearing in terms of answers from the prospective jurors today about the Trump administration and ICE enforcement, some of which was negative. That, of course, is an unsubstantiated claim, but it is what they're saying about this. And again, a mistrial declared here at the federal courthouse. This trial will restart on Monday. Live in Fort Worth, JD Miles, CBS News, Texas.